Hello all. Our next topic in the integration is integration by trigonometric transformation. Means what? We have to apply some trigonometric formula to convert the given problem in standard trigonometry, and then we have to solve. For this, first we have to know this some trigonometric formula. On screen you can see first one, reciprocal identities. Means this sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec are the reciprocals of some another functions. Like sine is reciprocal of cosec, that is sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cos theta is 1 upon sec theta. Tan theta is 1 upon cot theta, and also tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. This formula also we have to know. You can see here, this one is also available here. Then cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. Then sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, and cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. I will show some trick to remember it. There are six ratios: sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. Okay, so the reciprocals are like this. First with last one, that is sine is reciprocal of cosec, and cosec is reciprocal of sine. Second one, cos and sec, means second and second last. Cos and sec are reciprocals of each other. And last one, tan and cot. Tan is reciprocal of cot, and cot is reciprocal of tan. So the relation will be like this: first with last, second with second last, and middle two are the reciprocals of each other. Similarly, the one another formula is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So we have to know the reciprocals in this topic, or throughout integration. Okay. Next, uh, Pythagorean identities means in 10th standard you have already studied. You can We can say it as fundamental identities also. First one is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this, one second. From this, you can make two formulas, like sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and for cos square theta you can write it as 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. Second fundamental identity, which is very important in this unit or in this chapter: 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Tan square theta, from this identity, the formula for tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. Okay, so we have to use this formula for the integration of tan square x. Okay, similarly, last one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Then the formula for cot square theta is cosec square theta minus 1. So we have to use this formula for the integration of cot square theta. Okay. Next one, co-function identities means what? Sin theta is equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta. Similarly, cos theta is sin pi by 2 minus theta. Similarly, sec and cosec, tan and cot. These are the co-function identities. Co-function identities are sin with cos, tan with cot, and sec with cosec. Okay, so you can see here. Next one, even odd identities. We have six uh, trigonometric functions, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. So, uh, in even and odd identities, you can see here sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, and all these. For this, you can remember it as sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. Okay, tan of sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta, cot of minus theta, sec of minus theta, and cosec of minus theta. So in this, first we'll write equal to sign to each term. In this identities, only cos and sec are positive, means even if they are on negative side, still they are positive, means cos of minus theta is cos theta, this negative sign will get eliminated, and sec of minus theta is sec theta, and all other ratios are this minus sign will like this minus, and ratio minus sin theta minus tan theta minus cot theta and minus cosec theta. So in this there are only two ratios cos and sec which are like mod, means in mod numbers we can take negative then answer will be positive like this. Cos and sec are mod angles, therefore cos of minus theta is cos theta and sec of minus theta is sec theta, and all of for all other angles, all other ratios, negative sign will be out of ratios. Okay, next one, these are some important formulae, that is in first semester we have already studied 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Next, third one, 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. 2 sin a cos b is equal to cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, or this formula also we can write it as minus 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. So this one is also correct and this one is also. What is the difference between this minus sign? Okay, so these are some important formulas. Similarly, in this unit we have to know the multiple angle as well as submultiple angle formula. On screen you can see sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a, or 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Second one is cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, which is equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, from this formula you can derive this formula cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Fourth one, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Then fifth one, which is derived from this formula, 1 minus cos 2a, this minus cos 2a becomes minus cos 2a, and this minus becomes plus. So the formula is 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. Next one, 1 plus cos 2a. This formula will be derived from this fourth formula. This minus 1 becomes plus 1. Therefore, the formula will be 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. And tan 2a is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. In this topic, you have to know this first one. Okay. Then this one, and this one. These are very important formulas for the trigonometric transformation. Okay. Now the next one, sine square x, cos square x, sine cube x, and cos cube x. This sine square x formula will be derived from this formula. Okay. See here, sine square a is equal to, this is multiply by 2. So it will be get divide on another side. So the formula for sine square is 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. I can see here 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Same, there is only difference of alphabet. Similarly, cos square x. So in this formula, you can see here cos square a. So same thing, 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. You can see 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. And the sine cube x and cos cube x formulas are derived from sine 3 theta and cos 3 theta. Okay. So I will show you. Sine 3 theta is, sorry, we'll take x. One second. Sine 3x and cos 3x. Okay. So we know the formula for the sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay. Now we have to find sin cube x from this formula. So first we'll take minus, this minus 4 sin cube x becomes 4 plus 4 sin cube x. Okay. Which is equal to 3 sin x. In this plus sin 3x becomes minus sin 3x on another side, minus sin 3x. Okay, then this 4 will be divided. So you can see here 3 sin x minus sin 3x divided by 4. So in this way you can derive this formula. Similarly, cos cube x. For cos cube x, this formula is derived from cos 3x. The formula for cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, now we have to find cos cube x. So this term will get change. This minus becomes plus on another side. This cos 3x plus 3 cos x is equal to 4 cos cube x. Okay, but we have to find only cos cube. So this 4 will get divided on another side. So you can see here cos 3x plus 3 cos x divided by 4. This formula will be derived from cos 3x. So in this way, we have to know sine square as well as cos square and sine cube as well as cos cube. Now these examples are for 4 marks. Okay. Now we'll see some examples. These are the some important formulas for trigonometric transformation.